right, so it's where we have a street light. This one is IP67. The working hours about 10 to 15 hours, right? And it takes about 6 to 8 hours of full charge. You're looking at about 6,000 kelvins on the lighting. And we're going to test all this right now. How we doing, everyone? I'm Dario from MEDIABOXENT. All right, so today it's all about street lighting. The nice thing, this one runs on solar power. Right, not only is you going green, save money in the bill, but if you need to set up this in a place that is no power, right, that will be the simple way to use this. Now, this particular one is 100 watts, right? So this is a 100 watt unit. It's pretty nice and powerful. All right, so what we get out of the box, so we have all the screws and nuts and everything to set up the solar panel, right, and even to mount it. So don't trip to the hardware store. All right, I'm going to change cameras. As you see, includes all the hardware, so no trip to the hardware store. Mounting arms and remote control. Now, instructions, how to set it up. We go over. This one is 100 watts. Or the solar panel is 12 watts. We have 98 bits, or let's say 98 LEDs, 7,000 kelvins. So we're looking at an overcast lighting, 10,000 milliamp hour, and you can charge this time 2,000 times. We look at what, 5 years, something that way. So charging time between 5 to 6 hours and working between 10 to 15 hours. I would recommend nice 6 to 8 hours of sun. That will be the perfect size. So let's take a look at the unit. That's good to mount there. So nice finish there. So we have the unit right here. All right, gonna keep that on the side. We're gonna need that. And the solar panel, we have it right on the side right here. All right, the mounting bracket for the solar panel, and the solar panel right here. Okay, so that we have the solar panel. The way you're gonna plug this up, you come here and we plug it in. Now this is IP67, means rain is now super. Okay, so after you plug in, you can see right over here an indication of the light here to show you, okay, it's charging, so you can see it from the bottom, right? If this is going to be pointing this way, right, you can see the unit's charging when I plug it in. Now from the remote control, there are a few things we can do from here, and it says, as you see here, it says 2, 6, 6, and 4, 8. And it's pretty simple. The way it stands for is 2 hours on and 2 hours motion sensor. This is dusk to dawn. So when is let's say at 6 o'clock in the afternoon, it's already dark. All right, and you press 2. Okay, so it stays 2 hours on. So it stays on to 8 o'clock at night, and then after that goes to motion sensor. So it turns off now. For the next 2 hours, if somebody passes by, automatically this will turn on for a little bit and then turns off. That's the idea. And after that, after the total 4 hours, it's not going to turn on anymore into the next day. All right, so you got 4, and we can do 4 to 8 as well too. Now we have auto, and auto, it's what they say. When it gets dark, comes on, and then in the morning automatically and turns off. Or 6 hours, if at 6 o'clock it's dark, okay, until midnight it stays on. Then after midnight, this thing goes off, and to tomorrow. And we can force it by going on and off. So if I come here, it's pretty bright light, okay? Imagine that, you can guys see that. All right, so we're looking at about 7,000 kelvins, and this unit is 100 watts. So it's pretty powerful. Let me turn it off. There's a lot of light coming in. All right, very powerful, and in reality it's pretty simple to set up. All the strings are there, just got to mount it. Make sure you set up the panel in such way that you get a nice, sun into the panel. The panel gets mounted with the same unit, right? So it goes right on the top of the light. All right, and with this we complete this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.